Hello everyone, this is Mr. Noob. Today I will show you one website using which you can use ChatGPT to improve your SEO for your websites. There is a Chrome extension called AI PRM for ChatGPT. You can just go in and download it from Chrome. After installing the Chrome extension, you can go to the ChatGPT interface from OpenAI. So when you go there now to OpenAI, then you will see that you will see additional information. When you see new chat, if I say new chat, then you can see, let me show you. You see AI PM chat GPT prompts. Now if I want to have a keyword strategy for one of my article, I can click on it. Now I can just put in the keyword, what that is about. I'll say I'm writing an article about popular surfing spots in India. I'm just gonna say surfing in India. So it is gonna create keyword strategy for me. So these are the things that is being put up. So it's in keyword cluster, that is like a category. Surfing destinations in India. So keyword is saying surfing in India. Search is informational search. Title can be explore the best surfing spots in India. Meta description is like discover the hidden surfing gems in India. With our comprehensive guide, learn about the best surf spots, condition more. Start your surfing adventure today. So there are different types of strategies for keywords that has been created here. You can pick up the best one. So this way you will be able to generate various keyword strategies. It's just creating so many combinations of these strategy. Now you see you have a lot of surfing accommodation in India. It can be about surfing safety in India. There's so many. So now let me go to a new chat and find out some other SEO related. So if you want to outrank one article, so if there is some competition of mine, so let me say I'm gonna go to this website. They have an article and I want to outrank their article. Then it will tell you what all things you can do, but you don't need to copy it as such, because if you copy it as such, it will identify it as AI generated content. Now this article is going to rewrite in a way that it's going to outrank the old article. See, AstraZeneca Young Health Program Impact Fellowship. See, it's highlighting the key components of it. It's going to write the article, rewrite the article, so that way you can outrank the article. Now if you want to improve the existing articles, so this is rewriting. Now if I want to audit the existing article, so that is something which is very useful. What is wrong with the current one? I'm going to say audit existing content for SEO. It's asking me to put in content. So let me take something like RMIT Foundation Studies International Bursary. Yep. So let me take this up and put this up here and see what recommendation it has for my article to improve the SEO. So it says the content on the provide information on the page quality rating is medium, but there are some key areas should be improved to meet the expectations. That is improve expertise, authenticity, and trustworthiness. Missing information. The page does not provide enough information on the eligibility criteria for bursary of the application process. Inaccurate information. The page mentions that bursary is fully funded, but does not provide any details on funding amount or what it covers. Lack of expertise. The author of the page does not demonstrate expertise in the field of educational bursaries, which can lead to lack of trust. Outdated information. The page does not indicate when the information was last updated, which can be an issue. So the actionable suggestions here is provide more information on the eligibility criteria, include the specific requirements for international students, include the funding and amount that it covers, such as tuition fees, credential the author and demonstrate their expertise in this field, clearly state the date of information was updated. So H1 and title taxation are also been put here. RMIT Student International Bursary, eligibility, funding and application. So this again is very useful tool. Optimize a Google business profile in 10 seconds. Just tell me the name of its business, where it is located, that it sells and offers. I try to do this, where it is located. I'm gonna say barber shop, Bangalore. What else I need to tell? And what it sells. Anything else important? Alright. Let's see what it comes up with. So this is how it is coming up with. So for a barbershop, what are the best keywords to target for? Short description. Everything is gonna give it to you. This is all information. Earlier SEO, if you used to hire, it will take a lot of money. Now everything is available to you, ready-made. So you see the long description. Now let me go to another tool within SEO of this. It will give you the silo structure for an entire website. So let's say one website I have regarding innovation, competitions, and scholarships. So it is going to tell me what that website should be about, the silo structure of it, what should be the pages within that website, primary pages, secondary pages, all those is going to tell me. So home page, it says introduce the purpose of the website and provide a brief overview of the type of innovation competition scholarships covered. So keywords it's suggesting is innovation competition, scholarship, funding opportunity, student grants, startup awards. The second page it should be about competitions, list and describe various innovation competitions subcategories. Then the third one it can be about scholarship, where you can offer national scholarship, international scholarships. Then provide information and tips on how to innovation competition and scholarship resources. Then there could be FAQs. These are the keywords that has been suggested. So it's making everything on its own. Then there can be an about us page, providing information about the organization and its mission, links to the team members profile and contact information. There could be a contact us page. So all this information has been provided using this SEO tool. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.